Today I'm presenting an exquisite 3-bedroom bungalow with a DSQ sitting on a 50 by 100 plot in Sobea inside Havanna estate. It is on the market for rent. You know what? Those folks who are looking for on-compound homes to set up Airbnbs out of town, you should also consider this home. Now, my name is Ezra Ondara, content producer based in the city of Nakuru. And in this real estate segment, let us take a tour of this fine gem. We start right here on the compound, and there is the gate, coming into the space. And then you have a green garden on this end. On the far end, those are latrines. And overhead, you have got those water tanks. Those ones are for borehole water. Actually, I've drank the borehole water here in Sobea. Water is fresh, unlike parts of Nakuru, like Kiamonyi in town down there, where underground water is salty. Huku Sobea, maji iko fresh. Nimekunywa hile. Okay, nimeikunywa. All right, and then you have got this tank here for rainwater harvesting. Ipia imejaa. And of course, you see the cabro paved parking, and then the facade of the home. This is a contemporary bungalow looking all beautiful, and even the paint work that they went for, the theme of it is just a brilliant looking home. Okay, so just stepped onto the veranda, and out here I noticed they have got these electric sockets ziko hapa, meaning one can put a seat right here and they chill. For those who may want to do an Airbnb, I'm telling you guys, make sure you bring some amazing setups here for your clients. Now, I'm inside the lounge, and the moment you just walk in here, you just feel homely. I'm telling you guys. So in front of me, you have got this marble sheet and the fluted panels right here for the TV mounting. Beautiful space. There's a an electric fireplace, down there. Okay. And then on the flooring, these guys went for luxury. These are SPC flooring. Maybe I can tell you some of the advantages of SPC is that it is 100% waterproof, and so no matter how many times you mop this place, maji itawaenda huko chini, and then it furrows, and then it becomes something else. Okay, and of course it has that luxury feel. So the lounge is spacious for an arrangement of 6, like a 6-seater comfortably, maybe a coffee table right here, and then the dining area is on this end. Again, comfortably will accommodate a 6-seat dining table, and then we have a wash basin, on this far end. Guys, look at the gypsum plus the recessed in lighting plus the chandeliers right here. I'm telling you, this home is premium. For those who are looking for a non-compound to set up an Airbnb, this one is a gem. Your clients will love it, no doubt. For those who are looking for a non-compound home for rent, guys, first come, first serve. I'm inside the kitchen now. We have a double sink, ample worktop right here, thanks to these granite tops. A breakfast nook on this end. Look at the cabinetries, overhead cabinetry there. More of them on this end. And of course, we have this pantry right here, so more storage, for kitchen matters. Sindio, more storage right there. And then going this side, it will take me to the bedrooms. Remember, the home is a 3-bedroom bungalow, 3-bedroom. So let me start with the master bedroom on this far end. Here we are, I'm inside. When it comes to setup, a 6x6 bed fits perfect. Okay. And this one faces the front yard on that end. So when you're here, you can see, whoever is coming, your car out there. It is well lit thanks to these 3 windows. Gypsum again all around. Beautiful moonlight above me, awesome. And then look at the beautiful, washroom here with a shower cubicle, really nice. Maybe I can just open it a bit like that. Look at that. It's really amazing. Look at the faucet there, for the shower. They went for, for the top end fittings right here. And then it has somehow what we'll call a walk-in closet. So if you guys have been keen, you've seen there's no closet there. So they are actually right here. Okay, so I would like to call them his and hers closet, and then a pedestal sink again with a touch mirror right there, beautiful, and the toilet seat is on this side. And then again, look on the walls here, beautiful tiles. Like I told you, this is a contemporary bungalow on the market, which is a rare find in Nakuru for rent. Many of the homes that we find on compounds for rent, they're not really this exquisite. Many of them need the older designs. But this one, contemporary, on the market for rent. Again, got the beautiful toilets on this end and the bath here in separate rooms. I already told you, the faucets are quality, top quality, the fittings as well, etc. And there's another pedestal sink right here, amazing. And then now, the other bedroom is right here, a guest bedroom. So in this home, only the master bedroom is ensuite. This bedroom and the other one, which I'll show you, they share those two facilities ambazo nimeonyesha hapo a while ago. All right. Now, so looking at this, it does well with a 5x6 bed. Okay, this bedroom here. And again, it is well lit. I'm a big fan of natural light, so I usually mention that. Gypsum is done all around the home. The walls, the paint is beautiful. They went for the neutral tones all around the home, uniform, And then, of course, they have got these sliding wardrobes, which, they help save on space, yeah? Maybe I can just open it like this so you guys can see the arrangement right there. Amazing. I love it. I really love it. I love it. So on this other side, we have the other bedroom. Here I am, same size as the other guest bedroom. Again, this one you can do a 5x6 bed. Okay, and again, designed the same way. The wardrobes again, the floor tiles, they went for the wood look. Floor tiles. Here they went with the tiles, but there you have got those SPC. But because both of them, SPC usually has that wood look finish. So even here they chose the wood look tiles, at least, to have that blend. Sindio? Yeah, beautiful home. If you're looking for a home away from town, away from the noise, maybe to put your parents, maybe to do as an Airbnb, especially for those guys who are looking for a place to set up an Airbnb, that Airbnb that is a home away from town. This, I'm telling you, is a great option on the market. 3-bedroom, very cozy, and there is the DSQ on the backyard, or maybe I can pass here. There's another room which I haven't shown you guys. There's another room here, which is the laundry room. Okay, I haven't shown you that one. So from the kitchen like that, you have this more space here. Can you imagine? Okay, what can you maybe, put here? Typically, more space for your items, whether it is shoe rack, bicycles, etc. So the home is powered by solar. So the solars are here. Okay, solars are right here. But of course, there is provision for one to install a laundry machine pale. Okay, and also it comes with those cabinetries pia to help pia kustore sabuni nini, those washing powder etc. zinaweza kuwa pale. So I'm on the backyard. Again, another cozy space. On this backyard is where we have the hanging lines. So they have got these retractable hanging lines. You put them like that, and then you put the other one on the far end, then you hang your clothes right here. Kuna wasps ziko pale kwa kona. Somebody needs to come and live here so that the wasps can go away. Yeah, so the backyard, so this is the DSQ. So the DSQ for now, I won't take you inside, but all I can tell you is that it is self-contained, just that it has some items kule chini nini, you know, za ujenzi. So for now it's like a store, but it is one big single room, and also with an ensuite, okay? So let's go around the home, and then tufike kule. Look at the rough and tough on the exterior walls here. Really beautiful, you know, the rough and tough up. Angalia tu. Awesome. And I also like the fact that the perimeter wall is quite high. So yeah, for that enhanced privacy. Sindio? Yeah, so whatever I haven't told you, well, you can just call me on 0791055678. Now, like I've been saying, folks, I take you clients to go and see these homes that I put on the market every Saturday. So Monday to Friday, I'm on the ground looking for these beautiful homes where they are here and there. And then on Saturday, I take you on the market to see them. So call us on 0791055678 to book a site visit to this very home. So whoever comes first, you know, this is a fine gem. So first come, first serve, first to commit, first to take this home. For rent or even for Airbnb, those two options are available. I don't know if you can put an offer to buy it. I know some of you can ask me, can he sell? Well, just ask me, then I'll ask the owner if they can, you know, they can consider selling it. But I love it. This is a beautiful home. Really amazing. I'm telling you, in Sobea, inside Havanna Estate. Havanna Estate. Just put that on Google Map. Havanna Estate, Sobea. Amazing, beautiful. Wow.